Unit 52. Reading, listening and speaking. Retelling stories. Okay, we have a great story. A sad story. Two men, Dick and Harry, come to New York. They stay at a very large hotel. Their room is on the 45th floor. One day, Harry and Dick go to the theater and come back late. The lift in the hotel isn't working at the moment. If you don't want to walk up to your room, we can make beds for you here, says the clerk in the hotel. No, thank you, say the two men. We don't want to sleep here. We can walk up to our room. So they start going up and speaking about many interesting things. Step by step they reach the 44th floor. They're tired, so they sit down to have a rest. Suddenly, Dick's face turns very serious, and he asks Harry, "Do you want to hear some good news and some bad news?" "Sure," replies Harry. "You can tell me the good news first." "We are on the 44th floor," answers Dick. "That's great. Our rooms are on the next floor, so I can't see what the problem is." "Well, our keys are still on the receptionist's desk downstairs," says Dick. Okay? Now, I want your attention here. Така, искам вашето внимание тук. Обърнете внимание, че можем да разкажем една история в сегашни времена. На практика ще се получи един акцент върху последователността от действията. Ще се получи акцент върху действието, което се случва, а не кога то се случва. С други думи, звучиме малко като виц, но това не означава, че звучим зле. Доста често в българският език ние също говорим в сегашни времена. Okay? So, good. Let's try and answer a few questions now. Okay. True or false? Dick and Harry are in Washington. What do you think? No. They come to New York. False. Next question. They are staying at a skyscraper. Okay. They are staying at a skyscraper. Skyscraper, небостъргач. Много висок блок, сграда. Okay. They are staying at a very large hotel. Their room is on the 45th floor. I would say yes. True. Yes. Number 3. One day the restaurant in the hotel isn't working. Okay, the lift isn't working. Okay. True. Actually false. Okay, всъщност грешно. Ресторантът си работи, асансьорът не работи. The elevator, the lift isn't working. Okay, 4. The hotel clerk offers them to make beds for them downstairs. Okay, what does the clerk say? If you don't want to walk up to your room. Нещо, което споменахме. To walk up to. Да се кача. Пеша. Okay, to walk up to your room. We can make beds for you here. So, the answer is true. 5. Dick and Harry agree to spend the night downstairs. False. They decide to walk up to their room. So, question 6. They stop to relax on the 43rd floor. I think false, because they had only one floor left and their room was on the 45th floor. Така. Where do they stop? Okay, they stop to relax on the 44th floor. Yes. Спират да починат на 44-тият етаж. Okay. Question 7. Harry has got good news for Dick. Okay. News. Една дума, която е неброимо съществително. Внимание. Мога да кажа a piece of good news. And a piece of bad news. Okay. He's got some good news and some bad news. Definitely, yeah. Actually false. Because Dick has got good news for Harry. Okay. False. And the good news is that they're on the floor 44. True. Yes, добрата новина е, че те са на 44-тият етаж. The good news is. Внимание, винаги сингула. Думата е небройно съществително news. Okay, 9. Harry can't see any problem. Okay. True, he says I can't see what the problem is. And question 10. The bad news is that they haven't got their keys with them. True. Okay. The key is on the receptionist's desk. Now, let's look at the text again. Нека да погледнем нашия текст отново. Okay, here it is. Имаме някои изключително хубави фрази и изрази. Okay, two men come to New York. Yes, they're staying at a very large hotel. Okay, their room is on the 45th floor. На 45-тият етаж. Okay, on is the preposition here. Harry and Dick go to the theater, okay, and come back late. The lift in the hotel isn't working at that moment. Обърнете внимание, че когато разказваме една история, говорейки за конкретен момент или ситуация, when they come back, the elevator isn't working. At that moment, when they come back, the elevator, the lift, също lift, асансьор, elevator, също. Okay, isn't working. Okay, continuous tense. Говоря за конкретният момент на тяхното пристигане, идване, връщане в хотела. Yes. If you don't want to walk up, нещо за което говорихме, употребата на up, down, in, out, back, across, under, така съответно с глаголите за движение. Тоест, глаголите ще запазят своя смисъл и ще покажат как едно действие се извършва. Окей, в нашия случай walk, to walk up to, да се кача пеша до. Окей, ако ще се кача с асансьора, I'll go up to my room, then I'll go down. Окей, и после ще сляза. Or I will go back down. Окей? Или ще се върна обратно долу. Така че back дава една идея на обратно действие, down съответно надолу, up нагоре, съответно in, out. Защото мога да кажа they walk into the hotel and they see that. Okay, when they walk into, като влизат. Yes, they see that the elevator isn't working. Okay? Така, нататък. Okay, to make beds. Okay, they can make beds for them downstairs. Okay, the clerk, чиновникът, този, който работи долу. So, okay, we don't want to sleep here. We can walk up to our room. To въвежда дестинация. Още веднъж. Yes. So they start going up and speaking about many interesting things. And step by step, стъпка по стъпка. Okay, стъпало по стъпало. Нагоре. Okay, they reach, достигат. The 44th floor. Okay, they're tired, so they sit down, сядам, to have a rest. To have a rest, да си почина. Suddenly, изведнъж. Dick's face turns serious. Така, turn, един глагол, който е изключително хубав. Искам вашето внимание тук. Ще има контекста на become. Becomes very serious. Turns very serious. Okay? Още gets very serious. Get има този контекст също. And he asks Harry, do you want to hear some good news, some bad news? Още веднъж, news, една дума, която е неброимо съществително. Така, Този тип думи много често стоят с a piece of. Окей? A bit of също. Така, a piece of information. Например, информация, една друга дума. A piece of advice, нещо, което сме казвали. Така, в нашия случай news, дума, която е неброимо съществително. Така, some good news, some bad news. Или a piece of good news and a piece of bad news. So, sure, replies Harry. You can tell me the good news first. We are on the 44th floor. So, that's great. Our rooms are on the next floor. Okay, на следващият етаж. I can't see what the problem is. Well, our keys are still on the receptionist's desk downstairs. Okay. Well, that's it. Moving on. And our next story. A surprise story. I'm Sophie. Okay. I'm going to a job interview today. I'm nervous and worried because I need the job very much, but I don't know what questions they can ask me. So I get up early in the morning, have a shower, put on my best suit, skip my breakfast, have just a cup of black coffee, and go out. I have a Golf, a small but reliable car. So I start for the city center on time. I hope there aren't many traffic jams, although it's running cats and dogs. Okay, it's raining cats and dogs. As I'm driving on the motorway listening to the news on my car radio, suddenly my car stops. I check the gas. The tank seems full. I'm so angry and helpless that I'm ready to start crying. I can do nothing to start the car. Suddenly, a black BMW stops next to me. Any serious problem, young lady? Asks a pleasant voice, and a man's face smiles at me. I quickly explain what the real situation is. The man offers to give me a lift to the office where I'm going, and I start thanking fortune and God for the help. All the time we talk about jobs, cars, and the awful weather, and I arrive absolutely on time for my interview. I thank the gentleman 100 times before I close the door of the car, and he wishes me good luck. I quickly go upstairs to the office of the secretary. She informs me that I can see the boss in a minute, and I sit down to take a deep breath. After a while, a man enters the room and smiles at me. I see the kind gentleman who drove me here this morning. Can you imagine my surprise? Questions on the text. Where is she going? Okay. She's going on a job interview today. Okay, what does she do before she goes out? Okay, she gets up early, has a shower, she puts on her best suit, skips breakfast, has just a cup of coffee, and then she goes out. Внимание! Okay, present simple tense. Стои изключително добре, изразявайки една последователност от действия. Okay, разказвайки някакви неща. Един акцент върху последователността от действията, които се случват. Okay, so, what's the weather like? It's raining cats and dogs. It means it's raining heavily. Okay, както ние казваме, вали като изведро, изключително силен дъжд. It's raining cats and dogs. Изключително хубав израз. Идиоматичен такъв. Okay. So, 4. Can you guess the meaning of the idiom it's raining cats and dogs? Actually, we answered. Yes? It's raining heavily. Yes? 5. What happens after her car stops? Okay. So, she tries to start the car, to start the engine, to start да запаля. В нашия случай да запаля колата, двигателя. Okay, to start the car, but she can't. She can't do anything to start the car. Не може да направи нищо, за да запали колата. Yes. The tank seems full. Резервоарът изглежда пълен. The tank. Okay. She gets angry. Yes. And she's helpless there. Безпомощен. Okay. She's ready to start crying. Okay. And what happens next? A black BMW stops next to her car. Yes. And a pleasant voice asks her, any serious problems, young lady? Okay. So, and the man offers her to drive her to the office. Okay, to give her a lift. To give a lift, да закарам някой. To give a lift to somewhere. Will you give me a lift to? Ще ме закараш ли до? To give someone a lift to somewhere. Okay. So, okay. Next question. Does she manage to go to her interview? Yes, she does. Okay. She manages to get there on time. To get to a place, да стигна до. To reach. To get to. Мога да кажа, she manages to reach the office on time. Okay? Or to get to the office on time. Да стигне до. To arrive. Okay? So, 8. Who does she meet there? Surprisingly, she meets the gentleman who drove her there that morning. Okay? Drove, the past tense of drive. Който я докара, закара с колата. Okay? So 9. What does the man do when he enters the room? Okay? Well, he smiles at her. Yes? To smile at someone. Помним глаголи, предлози заедно. Усмихвам се на някой. Okay, to smile at. Нещо, за което говориме изключително често. Глаголи с сходен смисъл стоят с един и същи предлог. To smile at. Да се усмихна на. To laugh at. Смея се на. To grin at. Хиля се на. To mock. Да се подигравам, да се присмивам. To mock at someone. Специално mock, може и без. To mock someone. Да подигравам някой. Или to mock at someone. Пак със at. Така че много често глаголи с сходен смисъл стоят с един и същи предлог. Okay, last question. How does she feel? Okay. So, definitely she's surprised. Surprised, изненадан. Okay. So, let's move on.